Hello everyone, uh, this is the third video for this chapter, sound, and we will have another one session, then we'll complete this chapter. After we finish this chapter, we will revise uh, the portion from which we have done in first term and second term, since we have covered the text. So for this final term, new chapter will be only from this only this chapter will be the new chapter, chapter 5, sound. And in the last class, I already told you that we will continue the next class with the reflection of sound. So if you look at this figure, you can see when there is a sound, when a sound is produced, and if there is an object surface, the sound wave will hit that and will bounce back. That is the reflection of sound, the bouncing back of sound, just like reflection of light. Reflection of sound kan ti chuan reflection of light nen khanai nang dewa chuan in text sa khanin entaula page 104 a khan rules of reflection of sound oma khakha laws of reflection of light nen khanai nang rengani. The rules of reflection of sound are same as that of light. That is, number one, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Hey, angle of incidence sanita. Helai angle of incidence here. Angle of reflection and here ain ang thina ni chu sound a po ania chu light a po khana ni thoni. Okay, the angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. That is the number one rule. Number one. Rule number two is the incident ray kha en lawa khanin light a chon light ray and ta chon sound wave khan incident ray, and the reflected ray, this one, the reflected sound wave, and the point normal kha ta hen perpendicular and draw don ta normal to the point of the incidence all lie in the same plane. That is the second law for reflection of sound. So here we have third class session, question number 1, what is reflection of sound? And I hope you have answered, you have completed the previous questions from the previous video. And after this chapter, after this class, I will tell you when you are going to submit the assignment. Okay, chapter question number 1, what is reflection of sound? The answer is the bouncing back of sound waves is known as reflection of sound. That is in your text. And question number 2, write the two rules of reflection of sound. Two rules of reflection of sound that we have just said. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, and the incident ray, reflected ray, normal at the point of incidence all lie at the same plane. That one. And next we have echo kan ti chuan mizo tong chuan thang khok kan ti khanita sound aum khan, reflection of sound om khan tu na soizo che kha reflection of sound om khan e kha reflection of sound awang khan bouncing back of sound alo om thina awang khan kan benga ron let le thina chu echo kan ti khanita ni. The phenomenon of sound wave getting reflected and bouncing back the same sound is called echo. Tuna antenna ikutino bengta iben nuwa khan ari khai shele kha achanchu ikut ben kha a sound kha heta wakala when it hit the surface wala ni mothil dang engpo lo dita se kha awa dena aron let le khan kan benga khan aron rile thina chuwang chun sound kha akal chaklu tuk wak si lo wang khan e wala wa hit na khatle ma hlat phei chuan kan beng aron le te kha a sound ma cha lo zo to nuwa khana ri kha kan thrin ta chu echo kan ti khane ta ne. So here is another example. The next question is question number 3, define echo. And next we have reverberation. Reverberation to echo tho ania. If you are going to define reverberation, reverberation is the collection of reflected sound from the surface of walls, floors, and ceilings of a room. The time for which reverberation persists is called reverberation time. Reverberation kan ti chuan ta hian sound a ron om ta helai atanga sound ron om kha direct in a ron kala chuan tam zo ka chu tian adar ta mun danga mun sang sang kha ava hit ta chuta chuan kan beng a ron thleng le thin ani kha reverberation echo ani thau kan ti to kha tuna tinan e hepa hi alo tong ta room chunga nom ta hepa tong hi heta hianin a then heta han kala heta ron chukle thawa then heta rong kala khan mun sang sanga bounce ta then direct in a kalta khang collection of reflection of sound kha reflected sound ron thleng hoa kha reverberation kan ti chunita kha entianan reverberation ana sat chuan trong te kha a hriat that thei lo thin ni he khok na salu tuk room akan oma furniture te a om klem phei chuan in khang ang chi a khan trong enge an thu an eng thu nge an soi ti kha hriat har sat trang changom thin ka khang kha reverberation kan ti chunita. Next question is define reverberation. I think I've done a mistake in the question number. So if there is a mistake in question number, you just make the correction yourself. Next, we have use of multiple reflection of sound. Reflection of sound ka eng tin nge kan man tang kai thiang. Multiple reflection of sound ka number 1 achon megaphones. I hope you already know what is megaphones. Longhorn kan tiang chi ho te khang loudspeaker atana kan man ang chi ho kha megaphone kan ti ho chu ni ta ne entinan paper polo khor ringot tai la hetiang hen lo mang tai la he hian sound kha amplify don ni engtin he amplify kan ti chuan helai sound kha helai tangaron kal kan khami tel lo kan han tong top khajon adar ngal vak ta chuwa chuan a thleng thui lo ta amaro chu hetiang he kan man chuan helai tanga kan han tronga kan han tong khan sound kha mun danga kal dar tur ho kha hemi hian lo dang ta ti hian ron bounce ta ti na bounce ta helama ron chuak vek ani sound zong zong kha chuang chang helama hian thleng thui bit ta ni kha megaphone kan tiang chi ho khari ta tin horn anga te he heta hian example hi kan enanga sound wave ron kal ho kha asira kal tur ho zong zong kha a bounce ti hian a bounce a helama ron chuak vek ani chuan helai atang ron kal tur kha ta ron chuak bok ta ni light ne na in an em na chu e torch light kan tiang chi ho te khatiang chi ho re reng po kha search light kan tiang chi te hetiang angkha amang ve kani mo reflection of light kan manang thau khan ta hian reflection of sound kan mangani. Okay, that is the first one, megaphones. Next we have stereoscope. Stereoscope chu engeni in hrianga doctor hoinan man thin ka heta e lungphu te ngai thak na nan man thina kan ta khanga po khanin helai atang hianin sound ron lut kha heta hian mundanga kal tur zong zong kha a hi blut vekta a hi blut te meang helai e a on chowa khanin a in pass cho nichina e megaphone kan tinen khan a in let ling thung ta mo mundanga kal tur kha ron direct veka chuan a pai pa khan ti hian a bounce chowa a va in benga khan han thleng vekani. Okay, next we have whispering galleries. Whispering galleries kan ti chuanin hei hi gallery lo ni ta alem hi lo en ta ula e heta hen dom om ta ta hen open space om ta helaya kalkwal chawa kha helai mi kha gallery kan ti chuni ta ni khati anga khan en tinan e heta hen mi pakhat lo tong ta zoite pon lo tong se bang bula lo tong ta se sound khati hian a bounce phezela heta mi ya khan ul samde na lo hre thei ani mo khatiang chi ho kha anita. Next we have soundboards. Soundboards hi alem kha karon da chi lo text a khan figure 5.20 a khan soundboard om ta nichina reflection of sound kan man tang kai na ang tho anga khanin e hall ate concert hall ate khanga khan ceiling ate he kan school apo e centenary hall a khana khatiang technique de ule kha khan mangani. Okay, next we have range of hearing. Range of hearing kan ti zon masabera chuan ri kan hriat thei kha mishing ina kan hriat thei china kha audible sound kan tia. Audible sound is a sound which we can hear. example a chuan frequency from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz kha kan hriat thei kan benga ri kan hriat thei khania which is audible chuan mihring in a benga kan hriat thei lo ri om thota chu frequency less than 20 or more than 20,000 hertz khang ho kha inaudible sound ani ta ni inaudible sound ho chu chinhi nom le ta infrasound le ultrasound. What are infrasonic sound and ultrasonic sound? Infrasonic kan ti chuan those frequencies below 20 hertz machine kan hre thei lawari ma se the antenna side te khatian chi ho khana hre thei ni okay then there is ultrasonic sound ultrasonic a chuan 20,000 hertz a frequency sang zo ka chu machine benga chuan ari kha kan hre thei lo ta ni ma se ba kan ti te dolphin kan ti ang chi te khang ho khan an mong tangka em thung ta ni okay this two types of waves infrasonic waves and ultrasonic waves ho kha om ta khang ho kha man tangka na tam tak om thei ta ni heta hen en le tai la infrasonic ho chu less than 20 hertz ani ta infrasonic waves ho hi engin nge pe chuak thin kan ti chuan volcano te earthquake te lom ta ari kan hremi lo ta ma se ni ram sa then kha chun an hre thei mo khati ang khan tin ultrasonic sound kan ti chun china kan soyang khan bet te sonar hi enge ni kan la zir don boka ei bet te khanin an man tangkai na chu zana te ei tur ten lo zong ta khada khanin e an mit khanin engki man mu thei bik lo ni mo an mit ayan man tangkai jok chu ultra sound khani ta ni ultra sound an pe chuak ta chu chuanin engamo awa hit ta chu reflection of sound alom tan bengaron thleng le ta chumi mang chuanin kha an mit angin an mang ve thei ni okay and next class a chuanin ultrasonic waves kan zir don ta ultrasound kha enge a man tangkai na ti te tin sonar te kan ziranga chuan structure of human ear kan zir bokanga chu next class a kan zir turani ta chuan question kha china karon ti ba kha pani vel zia bel ulaka dua write the uses of multiple reflection of sounds. I'll repeat. Write the uses of multiple reflections of sounds. Okay. Write the uses of multiple reflection of sounds. That is one. Pakhat le chuan. Next question. What is audible frequency? Okay. That is all. Submit huntur kha nakina kan soi liang. Okay, that is all for this class, everyone. Thank you.